Access granted.
What do people think of when they hear the phrase, the future? Most probably envision tall, gleaming, ultra-futuristic cities with flying cars speeding in between the buildings, or they might think of spaceships, force fields, or anti-gravity. But have they ever thought about how these cities of the future might function? How organizations and society will adapt and evolve as time goes on? Or how revolutions in communication and other technologies will change our way of life? These are the smaller facets of these civilizations, the things that truly make an impact on the lives of millions, billions, or perhaps even trillions of people. This is Science and Forward Thinking with Albert Jackinson, where we look at the smaller and less talked about facets of humanity's future that are just as important as the bigger picture. All in in-depth and scientifically grounded fashion. Cities of the future, fusion, self-driving cars, and personal electronics. These are just a few of the topics that will be discussed in the series. Everyone has their own vision for societies of the future. So tell me, what's yours?